same time, just since same time.
An interesting feature of our robot is that a lot of teams are having penalties with, fourth balls and whatever, but we have a limit switch at the back of this tube here, at the back of our chute. Once it counts 3 balls, the piston shoots down to the front. This piston right here shoots down, and it closes the gate off.
Yeah, I haven't actually read the rules. The fourth ball it's not allowed to impede on your footprint at all. So like if a fourth ball sort of rolls in, you actually have to keep it outside your perimeter.
That's what I believe. I'm not sure, but this is
even if it's stuck in your robot like on top, it still counts as a penalty.
Okay.
So that was our way of
that was our way of fixing that.
Okay, basically just putting as if it kicks something out so it can't even get in.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So this is basically just a better drawing of our shooting mechanism for more angles. I forgot that it folds open. So it's comprised of 4 separate rollers. This one's powered by 2 main bots, and this one's powered by just 1 main bot. And they just roll up on those orange belts that you just saw and shoot them out straight into the fender.
Okay,
So,
and like you said, you're going for the 2-point basket.
Yes.
And when so in hybrid mode, you're shooting. You can shoot autonomously.
Yes.
And how are you lining that up?
well, JB, the team captain, he lines up according to like the hoop, and he really has to kind of eye it out and make sure it's aligned. So basically, it just goes forward. We're just on center in the front. That detects the distance, and once we're close enough, the robot stops, lowers the gauge, and the balls roll out.
Oh, okay. So it's going to do. So it's not just where you put it. It does a little bit. It does some of the targeting, kicks in on the.
It's much more consistent than like a shooting robot, because even though a lot of them get like the right angle, sometimes bounce off the back over.
Our design captain, yes. Yeah. He's not here with us today, but he did make these.
How many matches have you had today? How many matches?
We have 2 so far.
And which week did you? What was your first meet in the MAR?
2 weeks ago.
So 2 weeks ago at New Brunswick. How'd you make out?
We're
Finalists.
Good. So what's in the first in the hybrid period? How many shots have you gotten in your best match in hybrid?
Well, we can only get 2, but so we got.
I think you have to get to over 3 balls to start.
2 balls.
2 balls to start.
So we got 10.
So you've gotten the 10.
Yeah, usually we can consistently get with both.
So this is the way our drive chain works. It's a 6-wheel tank drive. We're using this year's kit wheels, so the high grip wheels, and we have the middle wheel drop 70 thousandths of an inch, which allows us when we're turning, you turn on the middle 2 wheels. When you drive forward on the forward 4 wheels, and we drive backwards on the backward 4 wheels. This is our drive train plates. Our drive gear had to be raised in order for us to go over the bump, so we cut this area out too. And also we have a free wheel, which I don't know if I have a picture of. You can't see it here. But
How much of that drive, frames, and strategy was carried over from previous Cougar designs?
the drivetrain is essentially the same as in past years because we know it works. The only thing we changed is that this wheel has been moved up. We've cut this plate out.
Well, but the obstacle in the middle of the fields, or how many of them there are, is different every year, and so you have to kind of work around that.
Yes. But the drivetrain does work. What we did this year was normally the wheels are right in the middle of the drivetrain, so it's like a much smaller system. This year the wheels were centered on this axis here, so it kept it higher off the ground. One other thing we did was on this axle here, so it's like 5 gears. It's direct drive, which means it's always very accurate. It's 5 gears down. There's 1 high grip wheel here, 1 here, and 1 here. And then also on this one, there's like a free wheel which allows us to go over the bump. It's not powered, but it just glides us over. Let's see if I can find a better drawing of it.